Hey everyone, in this guide, I'll show you a step-by-step on how to use your phone as a webcam inside the TikTok Live Studio. This works in both iPhone and Android and gives you a better way camera quality than most built-in webcams. Here's what you need. You need a PC or Mac, an iPhone or Android phone, a same Wi-Fi network, and a Droid Cam app. First, open your browser on your PC and search for the DroidCam. Go to their official site, thedroidcam.app, and scroll down and download. Open the downloaded file and follow the installation steps, and click Finish once installed. Now, to install the Broadcom on your phone, just open the App Store or Google Play Store and search for the Droidcom webcam. Download and open the app and allow all camera and microphone permissions. An important note, your phone and camera must be the same Wi-Fi network. Open the Droidcam on your phone and also open the Droidcam on your computer. And on the PC app, click Add Device and enter the IP address shown on your phone. Select the phone when it appears and click Connect. And here, open the TikTok Live Studio and in the source panel, click the plus or add source button and choose camera. From the camera drop-down, select the Droidcam source and click add source. And your phone is now working as your webcam. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.